Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so thrilled to say that I have collaborated with an amazing brand called She Said Yes, and they are a jewelry company that makes jewelry that is made from gold, so we're talking like 10 karat and up, and they have some affordable options. They're an amazing brand. They do have a campaign right now, so I'm going to talk to you more about that, and I'm going to show you some jewelry. So I am super excited. Without further ado, let's get to today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Could have thought this could happen.
So I just want to show you this beautiful box. They came with this ribbon. So I actually picked out a wedding band. So it goes really well with my current engagement ring. So you could wear it on its own or stack it. So I'm just going to open this up for you guys and you'll see how beautiful this product is. I absolutely love the box. Look at this beautiful print. She said yes. You guys would be amazed to see just the jewelry pieces. They are absolutely exquisite and very classy. So we're just going to do the unboxing together. Look at that. It has beautiful soft lining, and here is the box. This is amazing quality, guys. Whenever a company reaches out to me, I research the company and I look at their website and I check, okay, is this product quality? And I can say, she said yes. Yes, it is very good quality. So here's the box. And look at this beautiful engraving here. Look at how pretty. So as you can see, these are lab made diamonds. So I do have, I'm gonna like compare. So I have my current wedding engagement ring, and then I'll show you the comparison that you can see that it is just as beautiful as like real diamonds. These are lab made diamonds. It is so pretty. So I'm going to show you guys like what it looks like. I'm going to try it on for you and just show you different ways of wearing this. All right, so first I'm just gonna put it on and I'll show you guys what it looks like. So you can also let them know specifically your size, also like what color of gold you want. Also, you can let them know if you want any engraving. So depending on the engraving that you want, let them know what you want engraved on the inside of the ring, and then you can go on their website and then enter to win $1,200 worth of jewelry. So you just have to so again, I'm going to put the links of everything down below, but basically you just go to their website and then post your engraving on their wall, and automatically you are entered to win $1,200 worth of gifts from their website. And I also have a coupon code for you. So the coupon code is Trina15 for 15% off. And yeah, I highly recommend this brand, guys. So I actually got the white gold for this one. I'm gonna give you a close-up. Look at how pretty that is, guys. It is so nice. I'm not kidding you guys. I've been wearing this ring every single day. It is so comfortable. So I'll show you what it looks like stacked. So there's my wedding band, and then here is what it looks like all stacked. So you can see how beautiful it just like levels up your current engagement ring. So this is perfect to wear it like on its own. You could even wear it on like this hand if you want. Doesn't necessarily have to be a wedding band situation, but look at how beautiful that looks stacked. I'm so obsessed. I'm not kidding, guys. I've been wearing this like every single day. It totally like leveled up my current wedding ring situation. I'll show you another close-up. So again, if you go on their website, you can take a look at all of the fine jewelry that they have. They really are an exquisite brand. I highly, highly recommend them. So yeah, whether you're looking to get married or you're just wanting to level up your current engagement ring stack, or you just want a beautiful ring, go and check out She Said Yes. I love this brand. And again, here's my coupon code for 15% off of their website. Everything will be linked down below, and I will have the product code for this wedding band as well. And they have lots of other jewelry options as well. They have like earrings, necklaces, bracelets, you name it. So go and check out their website. I really hope that you guys enjoyed my little jewelry try on. So thrilled, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Have an amazing day and a fantastic week. Bye.
No longer lonely or blue.